And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So good evening here sa Pinas and it's raining cats and dogs. So alam nyo ba, matagal-tagal din akong nabuhay sa mga paniniwalang akala ko totoo. Yung mga beliefs na akala ko yun na yun, pero hindi pala. So today, gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung paano nagbago yung perspective ko at paano nakatulong itong business sa buhay ko. Kasi dati, ang dami kong doubts, ang dami kong fears, pero ngayon, iba na. Kaya yung topic natin is rewriting limiting beliefs. Ready na kayo mga kakwento? Okay, so let's start. Dati, ganito ako mag-isip. Hindi ako magaling, baka mapaya lang ako, feeling ko hindi ako enough, lagi akong takot magkamali. Okay na ako na ganito, wag na tayong mangarap ng sobra. Kasi sabi ko noon, basta may trabaho, may sweldo, buwan-buwan, okay na yon. Kahit sakto lang, kahit walang extra para sa sarili ko. I can't do anything on my own. Dati akala ko hindi ko kaya kahit mag-try. I'm too late to start something new. Iniisip ko before na lahat ng pagkakataon, nawala na. I don't have enough resources or skills. Parang feeling ko, kulang ako sa lahat para magtagumpay. If I fail, it means I'm not capable. Dati takot na takot ako mag-try kasi iniisip ko kapag nag-fail ako, ibig sabihin wala talaga akong kaya. I'm just ordinary, nothing special. Lagi kong iniisip wala akong kakaibang abilidad para mag-stand out. Pero deep inside me, I wanted more. I was tired of surviving. Can you relate? Nakaka-relate ba kayo? Yung feeling na parang hanggang dito ka na lang. Pero alam nyo, yung pinakamalaking kasinungalingan na pinaniwalaan ko. Yung feeling ko na hanggang dito na lang ako. So ngayon, iba na yung mindset ko. Alam nyo bakit? Kasi natutunan ko na our beliefs shape our reality. So kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan mo, yun yung hinahabol ng isip at saka ng gawa mo. Pero yung good news, pwede mong baguhin yung beliefs mo anytime. Hindi porke yan yung iniisip mo na hanggang dito na lang ako. Hindi yan yung forever. Take note, walang forever, no? Walang forever. Kahit saan, walang forever. So you can choose new beliefs that align with the life you want. So for example, your old belief, I'm not good enough. Yung new belief mo, I'm learning and growing every day. So yung old belief mo, okay na ako sa ganito. Huwag na tayong mangarap ng sobra. Yung new belief mo, now I realize I don't want to settle for less. I deserve more. I deserve a better life. One that I enjoy and create for myself. Yung old belief na I can't do anything on my own. Yung new belief, I'm learning to trust myself and take action. So yung old belief na I'm too late to start something new, ang new belief is it's never too late to begin and grow. Yung old belief na I don't have enough resources and skills, new belief is I can learn, adapt, and use what I have to create results. Yung old belief na if I fail, it means I'm not capable. New belief, failures are stepping stones to success. I grow stronger with each one. Yung old belief na I'm just ordinary, nothing special. New belief, I am capable of extraordinary things when I believe in myself. So ngayon, hindi na ako natatakot mangarap. Kasi alam ko, kaya kong abutin yung mas maganda at mas fulfilling na buhay. So alam nyo, dati yung pangarap ko lang, simple, makatawid, buwan-buwan. Thank you for the like, Maxing Patwal. I'm not sure if you will understand what I'm saying, but because it's in Tagalog. So, yung pangarap ko before, na makatawid lang buwan-buwan, pero nung sinubukan ko itong business na ito, itong online business, hindi lang income yung natutunan ko. Natuto akong mangarap uli. So, natuto akong maniwala na kaya ko. Ngayon masasabi ko, I'm capable. I'm growing. I'm more than enough. At alam nyo, yung pinaka-importante, hindi na ako takot magkamali. Kasi bawat pagkakamali, lesson yan. So kung dati akala ko hanggang dito na lang ako, which is alam ko maraming nakaka-relate, maraming nagsasabi na hanggang dito na lang ako sa sarili nila, di ba? Ngayon, for me, ngayon alam ko, I can create a better future. And kung kaya ko, kaya mo rin. So mga kakwento, your old beliefs don't have to define your future. Pwede mong baguhin yung story mo anytime. So next time na marinig mo yung boses na nagsasabing hindi mo kaya yan, just smile and say, watch me. So, 'di ba mas maganda na i-try mo muna before mo sabihing hindi mo kaya. Kasi karamihan sa atin, iniisip natin na hanggang dito na lang ako. Hindi ko kaya yan. Hindi mo pa nga sinisimulan, hindi mo pa nga tinatry. Sinabi mo na agad na hindi mo kaya. 'Di ba? So, kung may napulot kang story or lesson today, i-share mo ito sa kaibigan mo na kailangan ng inspiration. So thank you for spending time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again tomorrow on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Tomorrow will be Thursday, 28th of August. My go live will be at 3 p.m. Philippine time, 5 p.m. Australia time because I have a very special guest originally from Fiji and she's residing in Australia. And at 7 p.m. Philippine time, 7 a.m. Canada time, I have another guest. She's originally from Philippines and residing in Canada. So this is how global our business is. So watch out tomorrow for my two special guests, one at 3 p.m. Philippine time, one at 7 p.m. Philippine time. So bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you are curious and you want to learn more, you can message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.